Hello everyone, welcome to External Star Channel. Once again I have a model here which is in 1:18 scale, and finally I received one of the limited, how to call it now, it's an SUV, Chevrolet Suburban, and actually this Chevy is in a black color. There are two of them available with black or with silver wheels. I selected the one with silver wheels because it also has a silver front grille and silver frame of the windows. Yeah? So let's now unbox it. First section will be unboxing it and reviewing it, and then finally giving it a final score. Alright, so let's open this box and see what we have inside. And it's actually very nice solid box. And what is really interesting, this model actually came in this display case, which is also quite unique. And as I said, it was limited to 99 pieces. Yeah? So one of the most limited models I have in my collection now. It was also pretty expensive, like $300, around 300. Yeah, not really cheap, maybe 350. But I said, okay, there were actually two models I was interested in. Cadillac Escalade, but when I saw it from the side, it was like somebody kicked it in the ass. Yeah? So it was somehow shortened and too short in my opinion. So disproportionate, absolutely disgusting job, and I didn't like it. And then I saw this Chevy Suburban, actually a car that I was driving back then when I was in the United States. I loved this car, also this long version. Now I have it here. I actually drove the white one and I have a black one, but in order to fit into my collection, I ordered the black one. Alright? So now how to open this box actually? It's gonna be tough or not. Okay, so in this black box we have this display case. Now let me maybe just remove this tape first. Alright guys, I already see a crack here, yeah? So look at it here. I hope you can see this on this camera. Here there is a big crack and I don't know what to do now, yeah? So probably I will ask the people who sold it to me to give me a discount, because this is, if you pay that much and then it comes with a crack here, it's not nice at all, yeah? So I'm a little bit disappointed, but luckily I will not display it in this case. I have my own display cabinet, yeah, but if I want to resell it, this factor here, this thing will reduce the price, I don't know, $50 or so. Let's see. Okay, so now I am removing this top and I will put it aside. And before I really remove everything, yeah, just yesterday they announced another 99 pieces, or maybe 60, I'm not sure, of a silver one. So not only black one, they are also producing a silver one, and I loved the silver one as well, yeah, so very nice. Good, so let's use this knife to cut it a little bit, yeah, so I will make a gentle cut here and remove another layer. They really paid a lot of attention to make a lot of layers, so that, and by the way, this is a resin model, so I can't really open anything, yeah, so don't expect that in this video I will be opening a lot. I will just show you as it looks like, and that's probably it for today, yeah? So later I will make some nice pictures for my Instagram account, so if you don't or if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my Instagram, because I'm dedicating quite a lot of time to now upload pictures, and this one will be one of the next that I will show you on my IG. First I hated Instagram, but recently I find it quite good to exchange pictures with other collectors like you or me. Okay? Good. So lot of tape, but finally, okay, enough of tape. Now we have this paper. It's not a toilet paper, yeah, so unfortunately I can't repurpose it, how to pronounce it, repurpose the paper. I can't really clean my body part with that, because I don't want to say the rude word, my body part. Alright, so so finally, after such a long time, I can see the car. And I can't really get rid of this paper here in the front. Come on. Alright, finally. Alright, I will just put it here with this, and this is it. This Chevy Suburban 1:18 scale, limited edition, 99 pieces. Okay, so now I will change my camera and show you a little bit more of what I found here. Okay, maybe I really have some things to review here. All right, so let's. Jesus Christ! Look at that. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. All right, so we have different pieces here. Yeah, look at it. For example, I just found it here. What is it? Yeah, so probably I will need to use it somewhere, and I just found it. So let's see. Then I have this mirror here. Okay, also very nice. And usually when I receive cars, they come in pieces. Yeah, you already got used to it. I'm the unlucky one, and hopefully you will be the lucky one. Yeah, so just here in the front, first look at this plate here. Yeah? So it's showing 1 of 99 vehicle art, GOC, vehicles of museum, vehicle museum, GOC and vehicle art. Yeah, so probably a new company. They are making resin cars. They are overly expensive. I paid one of them just to see what it is. Yeah, so here is the full review. And I will also leave it up to you to make your opinion. But look at that. So in the front, that front grille is nice. I love it. This Chevy logo, quite okay. Headlights are excellent. Actually, headlights are very good. I love them already on the pictures before I bought it. I love them. Then the wheels, you see the brake caliper. Yeah, you see it. And also the brake disc. And nice Chevy logo in the middle of the wheel. And yeah, that's probably it. Then we have this Suburban here. And that's a nice detail. And then I see some fingerprints here, and actually I haven't touched the model yet, but look at that. Here in this area you see fingerprints, and now I'm touching only the base. Yeah, so really I'm holding it here. I'm not touching the model, so you just really see what I see without any further touching and so on. Good. So in the back, yeah, look at that. Look at it. Here, Chevy logo, Suburban. But what is quite interesting, look at how those two screws are really shifted or moved. So it means that the whole model, while it was transported, was a little bit like kicked. Yeah, and now I have some doubts if I use my screwdriver, if I will be really able to remove it, since this is so now moved and yeah. Not really good. Okay, so now the wheels in the back, they look... Oh, look at that. Yeah, so maybe let's use this knife to show you here the wheel. And look at here the rubber, which is... Oh, look at this gap here. Yeah, so the rubber, it doesn't really fit the wheel, and somehow it was again moved, or... I have some concerns. Yeah? So what I think now is that once I really remove it from the base, there will be a little bit more things that will disappoint me. Like, for example, this wheel, I already know that it's a bit out of place and it will probably get even worse. Now here, this is the side mirror, which already fell off just after I unboxed it. And then the front wheels, you can't really turn them, yeah, so they are static. maybe you can just spin them. Yeah, the same with the, but here of course it's not possible because I think this is somehow wrong. Good, then we have the wipers. Yeah, such a nice detail, I love it. Yeah, the roof is just without any details. Yeah, so what would you expect? It's just a flat roof, no sunroof. And this is actually the extended long version. You see it here. First here it says LT, but it's very long here. So this cargo area, or the third passenger seats, the third row, this is quite extended here. All right, so that was it, and now I will need to probably fix it a little bit. Yeah, so also here I'm not sure about this. Yeah, so look at this gap here again. I found here a gap. You see it? Can you see it? Here in the front there is a gap. When we go here there is no gap. Yeah, so again this piece is not what I would expect from such an expensive car. So let me just return here, yeah, and I again need to make my head around it. So I bought this one because it's so exclusive and no other manufacturer is actually at the moment producing such a car, which would be die-cast with opening features and so on. So I ordered this one. It has some flaws. I already know about them. Yeah, so not really nice, some of those details, and I must say it's still a nice, decent model, but probably it was also caused by the transport. Yeah, so sometimes they are really throwing things, and I'm usually the unlucky one, so they usually destroy all my models when they transport it. And this is why I don't like companies like, I should not mention any specific companies, just the transport companies. Yeah, they destroy stuff, and this is one of the models. Yeah? So what I will do next really is that I will find the screws somewhere here. They are probably beneath this nice leather, or it's not leather, it's some kind of cloth, and then I will remove it from the base, and then I will just put it on display somewhere to my shelves. I will also make some nice pictures of it, and I will share it, as I said, on my Instagram, then maybe also on my website. And here it's now only time for the final rating of this one. Yeah? So okay guys, so I just unscrewed this one and look at that. Yeah, so now I'm removing it from the base. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so that's the model. Oh god, what I bought again here. Incredible. Look at that. Yeah, so that's something completely unexpected. Yeah, so it's all broken, guys. It's all broken. For $300, yeah, I received this piece of crap. Yeah, and oh god, everything is, oh my god, what I'm going to do now. It's not the best moment in my life. Yeah, so I have already I've had better days, let's say. Let's continue the journey. So there's a major crack here. So basically the whole rear area is cracked, and now I also need to fix all those wheels. Look at this. Yeah, so it's not a straight line. The same with this axis. All is broken, crooked, and I'm disappointed. Yeah, so very disappointed. Now I'm going to fix it and bring it to the original shape. I hope I will not find more damage on this damn model. Good, so that was another video. I have few more models in the pipeline. They are already waiting on the shelf until I unbox them. I just need to find the right time, which I don't have, and I already told you so many times it's so time consuming, but now I really need to find time to unbox also one of the even bigger models that I have now and are waiting for me. A little bit bigger, larger scale. Alright, so thank you and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.